An ergonomically designed office chair is made to keep your body comfortable with the least strain and maintain good posture. Besides, a good ergonomic chair will balance functionality and form, supporting your back throughout the working day. There are many products available to choose ergonomic office chair, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ergonomic office chair from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Flash Furniture MidBack Ergonomic Task Chair. This task chair from Flash Furniture is one of the best budget office chairs on the market. It ensures that you are comfortable when engaged in a project. Moreover, it features a curved breathable mesh back, which offers support and is breathable for aeration when sitting for long hours a day. Being the best budget chair on our list doesn't mean the quality is compromised. With a fair price range, you will experience high-end quality like other expensive models. It is perfect for office and desk space. Conversely, it comes with swivel wheels for easy maneuvering and a built-in lumbar for support. This office chair comes in 3 different sizes: high back, mid-back, and mid-back special drafting chairs. You can get the one fit for you. However, the mid-back special drafting chair is meant for people who work with higher surfaces like graphic artists, designers, and architects. Flash Furniture Task Office Chair is designed to take off pressure from your legs to improve blood circulation. It comes with seat adjustment for comfortable positioning, a tilt mechanism for reclining in the chair, and flip-up armrests for freestyle sitting. Positive side of this product: a comfortable and supportive chair. Economical and functional chair. Easy to set up. Great chair for home office setup. Number 2. Office Chair PC Gaming Chair Ergonomic. If you like gaming at the office, count on Office Chair PC Gaming Chair. This chair has commercial-grade components and supports a weight capacity of 250 pounds. It provides comfort and luxury, whether you use it during long workdays or intense gaming sessions. This ergonomic chair has a freely adjustable lumbar support for protecting your spinal, a seat with an adjustable height, a footrest that pulls out under the chair, and an armrest. It is made from heavy-duty metal, which enhances stability and mobility. We cannot forget to mention that this office chair has locking when you recline to prevent you from falling accidentally. Positive side of this product: comfortable and sturdy. Easy to assemble. Comes in different amazing colors. Number 3. NOWHASI RGO 3D Ergonomic Office Chair. If you are looking for the best office chair for back pain, look no further. The NOWHASI Ergo 3D Office Chair features a 3-piece backrest that targets the neck and back aggressively for tension relief. If you have back pain already, this office chair will help you recover, since the lumbar is adjustable to target the precise area of your back that needs pressure. Furthermore, NOWHASI Ergo 3DD comprises breathable mesh material that offers optimal aeration to avoid sweating and sticking. The headrest of this office chair is large enough to support your whole head, with a curved shape that equips right behind your head or underneath your neck. The headrest is adjustable and offers much better relief than a headless backrest. The waterfall seat on this ergonomic chair is highly pronounced to slope downwards at the edge. This slope helps minimize pressure buildup in your thighs, especially for people who suffer from sciatica. Moreover, the chair can tilt 135 degrees to keep you in the ideal position for your next task. Positive side of this product: easy to assemble. Great customer support. Great chair for tall people. Number 4. Motway Articulate Ergonomic Office Chair. This ergonomic office chair comes with a breathable back made from mesh material, padded arm, passive lumbar, and 6-inch thick contoured mesh seat cushion. The Motway EI 757 BLK model is designed with productivity in mind, making it the perfect ergonomic chair for everyday use. Moreover, this sturdy and supportive office chair comes in several colors, hence, you can pick the color that complements other office furniture or your office interior design. The Motway Articulate Office Chair comes with 5 dual-wheel casters that let you slide across the office floor, whether it is wood or carpet. With these chair models, you have the option to choose between vinyl and mesh material. Positive side of this product: great ergonomic office chair. Has different colors to choose from. Smooth wheeling on the floor. Number 5. Herman Miller Classic Air and Chair. The Herman Miller office chair is ideal for having in a home office with no air conditioning. It is made of mesh back and seat, therefore, there is enough aeration. It comes with 2 unique lumbar that offer back support and a constant sacrum whether you are leaning forward, reclined back, or sitting upright. Furthermore, it helps you relieve your lower back pain. This office chair allows you to adjust almost everything to suit any sitting position you prefer. Positive side of this product: comfortable chair. Easy to assemble. Durable office chair. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.